Welcome to Talk in English. I am Ria, and I am so excited to have you here. Do you want to improve your English speaking skills? Then this video is just for you. Once upon a time, in a small village in India, there lived a young boy named Arjun. He was curious, brave, and always eager to learn new things. Every evening, after school, he sat beside his grandfather, who told him stories about magical lands and ancient warriors. One day, while Arjun was playing near the river, he noticed something strange. A small wooden box was floating in the water. He quickly ran and picked it up. Inside the box, there was an old map. The map looked ancient and had symbols that Arjun had never seen before. Excited, he showed the map to his grandfather. The old man looked at it carefully and whispered, "This map, it leads to the lost Temple of Wisdom." Arjun couldn't sleep that night. The idea of finding a lost temple thrilled him. The next morning, he packed some food, water, and the map, and without telling anyone, he began his journey. He walked through forests, crossed streams, and climbed hills. He faced many difficulties. He was tired, hungry, and sometimes scared, but he didn't give up. After 3 days of travel, he reached a place that looked exactly like the drawing on the map. There was a huge tree with strange carvings. He followed the signs and finally found the entrance to a hidden cave. Inside, the air was cold and the cave was dark, but Arjun kept walking. Suddenly, he saw something glowing at the end of the cave. It was the temple, beautiful and ancient, made of stone and filled with carvings of old gods and wise men. In the center, there was a book. Arjun opened it and saw that it contained teachings about life, kindness, courage, and truth. He didn't take anything from the temple. He just sat there, read the book, and felt a deep peace in his heart. When he returned to the village, everyone was worried. But when he told them what he had seen and learned, they were amazed. Arjun became a hero, not because he found a treasure, but because he found wisdom, and he shared it with others. From that day, Arjun started teaching the children of his village about the values he had learned. And even though he was young, people respected him like a wise man.